If you've built your agent but haven't connected a knowledge base yet, this is where everything starts to come alive. Hi, I'm Caleb with Synthflow, and in this episode of Agents 101, we're breaking down knowledge bases, what they are, how they work, and how to connect them so your agents can actually use your company's information in real time. We'll cover how RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, works, how to upload content from documents or URLs, and what to avoid when creating your own knowledge base. What is a knowledge base? Think of your knowledge base like a grocery store. All your information is already in the store, rows of data sitting on shelves, but without aisle labels, it's chaos. No one knows where anything is. That's where RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, comes in. RAG is how you label the aisles so your agent knows exactly where to look. You might organize your store with labels such as category, brand, product, name, and price. Now, when a customer asks, where can I find almond milk under $3, your agent can follow those labels. Category, dairy alternatives, brand, almond breeze, price, $2.99. That's what RAG does. It gives your agent structured paths to find the right answer instantly. Locating the knowledge base section. You will find the knowledge base tab in your Synthflow dashboard right under agents. This is where you can view all existing knowledge bases, create new ones, or manage any that are already attached to your current agents. Creating a knowledge base. Inside Synthflow, creating a knowledge base starts with two things. First, a name, and then your RAG fields. So give it a name, then define your RAG fields, those labeled aisles your agents will use to search. For example, a simple product knowledge base might include category, the type of product, brand, the manufacturer or company, product name, like the specific item, price, and the cost. Once you've set those, click Create. You've now built the structure. The aisles are labeled and ready for data. You can also create multiple knowledge bases for different use cases. For example, one for products, another for policies, another for internal FAQs. Adding data to the knowledge base. Next, you'll stock the shelves. The data you upload should match the RAG fields you defined. If your fields are category, brand, product, and price, make sure your data set includes those same columns. When someone asks, do you have any organic cereal under $5, your agent checks those labels and returns an exact match. You can add content three different ways. A PDF upload, and you're just going to upload a PDF but keep it text-based, so avoid scanned images or complex layouts. The AI can only read plain text. A document file or text file, this is the most flexible option, a blank document where you can paste structured information. Think of it like your store's inventory list. Aisle 3, snacks, brand, Synthflow snacks, price $2.99. You can also import data from a web page. And an important note here is this is not a live web scraper. When you paste a URL, Synthflow takes a snapshot of that page at that moment, like freezing it in time, and converts the visible text into something your agent can read. If you pasted, for example, this URL, it would capture everything visible on that Get Started page, but not the hidden sections or other linked pages. If that source web page changes later, remember to re-upload it so your knowledge base stays current. Once your data is updated, you can manage it from the top bar controls. You can edit, rename, or adjust your RAG fields at any time. You can view the RAG, see your current retrieval structure. You can delete, remove the base entirely if you want to rebuild from scratch. And that's the foundation. Knowledge bases should turn static information into structured, searchable intelligence your agents can draw from in real conversations. In the next episode, we'll dive into actions, how to connect your agent's responses to real-world processes like booking, CRM updates, and data transfers. Thanks for watching this episode of Agents 101. You can find all supporting documentation and walkthroughs inside Synthflow Academy or on our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest platform features. I'm Caleb with Synthflow, and I'll see you in the next one.